Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Happy Friday, everybody. It's been an exhausting week. I'm ready for the weekend, but I always look forward to Monday to trading and seeing what's going on with the stocks. Just bringing another ETF to you. I've been doing a lot of ETFs here lately. I know a lot of people are watching a lot of the MJ stocks. Sundial, I made a video about that earlier. I've made couple videos about Sundial actually. I think I have about 100 or 120 shares in this account now, but you can go back and watch that other video. But there's a lot of ETFs out there that people don't really talk about or look at, and I'll show you kind of some good reasons why I'm watching them, and while I think they can be a better play if you're looking to get into the MJ field. Again, I don't give tax, legal, trading advice. Don't tell you when to buy or sell. I'm just here for your edutainment. That's education and entertainment all in one. And we might even get a joke here and there. But back to MSOS. It's one that I've been kind of watching here. Might try order on it. We'll see. I made another ETF video, and I'm waiting for that order to fill, but we will see if that happens here. This is a good saying. I just want to throw this. This is wisdom leaks. Never expect to get what you give. Not everyone has a heart like you. One more time for those people that aren't awake yet. Never expect to get what you give. Not everyone has a heart like you. So, just wanted to throw that out there, something for you to think about and ponder and toss around. But back to MSOS, might just call it Moses. But this is the AdvisorShares. It's in the MJ field, and again, it's an ETF. You can kind of see what it's doing today. It's kind of teasing me here, so I might try putting in an order, and we'll see if it hits that again. That's what she said. But anyway, you can kind of see some of the growth here, that it's kind of went up in the last week as well as the last month. Some of these ETFs I've been watching for a while. My major holding is in the MJ. That's another ETF. I'll probably do a video. I should probably do a video about that one, since that's one of my bigger holdings. But anyway, about this one, it's an actively managed portfolio of U.S. stocks or swap contracts related to domestic MJ and hemp industry. Listed name is MSOS. I'm just going to call it Moses. Is a ETF, and you can see for those dividend people out there that like dividends, you can also get a dividend. Not a very big market cap, so that's one thing to watch, but I can't foresee that these will go anywhere but up. So, and here's a couple other ones. I did a advisor share, and this is the MJ one that I'm referring to. I bought a couple shares of this back in August for, I believe it was $10 and change, just right under $11. So you can see the potential in this particular field that's kind of going on right now. Again, I'm not telling you to buy or sell. I'm just bringing these to your attention. But that's why I brought it up again today, is because it's kind of on a dip. So we'll see if it goes any lower. But kind of an older article here. Well, this one's actually 2 days ago. Stock surge on hopes of Democrats' win in Georgia could spark U.S. legalization. I'm sure you're all following that, so I'm not even going to get into the politics side of it, but could be up and coming good things for this one. And again, I'm not going to read the whole article to you, just trying to keep the video short, but this is on Yahoo Finance, so you can go ahead and I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description. And again, this is kind of some MJ ETFs finally go domestic, and with MSOS launch. And again, this is back on September 3rd. But I've been kind of watching these for a while and just kind of seeing what they're doing, and Should have pulled the trigger earlier, but was just kind of waiting them out and got into some other things. If you follow my channel, you'll know what those are. ETFs, or um, EVs, the electronic vehicles, solar, and things like that, which I'll be doing some solar videos here later today. Those are also some ones to watch. Not really much here on Market Watch. Here's some of the holdings in the AdvisorShares ETF, which I thought was rather interesting. Some of these individual plays, some of you out there listening might already have. This IIPR is actually a REIT where you can get a dividend on that one as well. Go ahead and watch my other videos on that one. Grow Generation has been a powerhouse. I call it the picks and shovel for the MJ field. It's got your hydroponics, dirt, everything you can think, kind of like a Home Depot. Charlotte Webb's I've heard about. I haven't pulled the trigger on that one yet. Green Lane Holdings, I just did a video about that one. That one is a lot of products in the dispensary, and these last three I do not have. I kind of looked at this one the other day, but didn't do anything with it as of yet. But you can kind of see the run up that this one's had. Could have gotten into it pretty cheap here a while back, but that's pretty much all that I could really find on this one. Sometimes these are kind of hard to find a whole lot of info on them, just because of the field that they're in. But again, I just wanted to point out the highlights. You get a dividend. I think it's a little bit safer with all the holdings, and not a lot of people are talking about or actually watching these. So I like to kind of cover all the bases. Some people like to be safe, and some like to go straight into the stock and hold that as well. So I kind of do all the above, kind of touch all the bases. So I'll probably be trying an order. I'm going to wait and see what this one does, but might try putting an order here at 40.69. I'll just have to wait and see on this one. So anyway, if you haven't hit that like button yet, it's Friday. Go ahead and hit it before the weekend. So, and you can drop an elbow on it or your mouse, or if you got a cup of coffee or whatever you're drinking. Also, if you would subscribe, that would be awesome. I'm trying to, my next goal is 125. And again, I just started a couple weeks ago. So I thank you for all the support so far, and just bringing another ETF to your attention. Go ahead and check my library. I had quite a few ETFs released in the last 2-3 days, a little bit safer play, and so just wanted to point these out to you. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.